how to create a crypto account on Binance. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create a crypto account on Binance. First, download the Binance app on your device. After downloading the app, open it. Next, open it, then choose this option if you're a beginner. After that, tap to sign up to create an account. Now, select sign up with the email or phone, or you can just choose the option that you want, either using Google account or just continue with Apple. Next, enter the email or the phone number that you want to use for the verification. Enter the verification code that you will receive. Then hit submit. Now set a password for your account. Then tap next. Next, you have the option to enter a referral ID if you have one. For now, let's just skip this step. You can choose to enable passkeys for easier login and keep your account safe. Once you're done with that, you need to become verified. Go ahead and verify your account by providing your full name. Next, enter your nationality and then your birth date. After that, fill up your address. Make sure that you enter the address exactly as mentioned in the ID card. For example, your address in your driver's license or your passport. After that, choose what document type you will provide. You can select the type shown here if you have it on hand. For now, let's use driver's license. Next, take a picture of your license, or you can simply upload the picture of it. After that, do the liveness check by doing a quick live recognition of your face. Simply follow the on-screen procedure. After doing all of that, wait for the Binance to review your application. And once it is verified, and you can now buy or trade cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.